Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I have a quick review of the Storm A2. This is a wireless gaming headset from OXS, and I have reviewed an OXS soundbar in the past. I will leave that video up here. The soundbar is my main audio system that I use with my computer now, so that soundbar has been working great for me. I have it plugged in with the optical cable to my PC, and I've had absolutely no issues at all. So let's talk about the Storm A2. That's what I have on here. I'm talking into my mic so I can't get too close, but just give you a quick kind of look at what this looks like. Shortly, I'll switch over to this audio and you guys will be able to hear kind of what it sounds like. But let's talk about the fit here. So very comfortable, nice tight fit. This does have active noise canceling. So you want a nice tight fit there. You can see the OXS logo, the left right there, right there. And then let's discuss some of the buttons here. So on the right side here, you have a button which allows you to enable the pass-through, which allows you to hear what's going on in the room. So even though I have this full headset on, I can actually hear myself speaking just fine, which is pretty cool. And then if you hit that bright button again, it's going to do ANC off, which is active noise canceling off. And I can hear myself a little bit better, but it's still pretty muffled because I have this tight headset fully covering my ears. Now, if I hit it one more time, ANC on. Now active noise canceling is on, and all the kind of background noise, the fan, it's all gone. So if you're playing like Call of Duty, you're really listening for those footsteps behind you, active noise canceling is going to be like silence. And that's why this headset is pretty sweet. So let me put it back on pass-through so I can hear myself a little better. There we go. So one thing, when you hit the button, it says pass-through on, but it takes probably 4 to 5 seconds before it actually switches, but it does work. And so let's talk about the sound quality. Very impressed with the sound quality. So these are a pretty heavy and sturdy headset, and so I did go ahead and put on some rap music just with a heavy bass, and the bass on these things is actually very incredible. Sounds very good, like almost as good as my Bose headset that's worth like a lot of money. So these sound quality is good, fit is good, a lot of options here. On the other ear, you do have the buttons here, and then your mute button, and then a power button, and then your microphone here can actually untwist and be removable, so you can remove that if you don't plan on actually talking to anyone. Now I'll quickly go ahead and show you some close-ups of the headset, and then we will do an audio test here to see how this sounds. So let's get into that. So here are these OXS headphones. That name is a little bit hard to say. You can see we've got these nice cushy ears here, some nice padding on the inside. Your microphone is nice and adjustable. Now this microphone does not come with a little pad on it or a little like cotton ball on it. That is just the standard mic right there. You got a nice kind of adjustability here, rotation and back and forth. I really like the nice clean silver look here. And this does also come with an OXS little bag, so you can store them in that if you're traveling or something like that. These are chargeable via USB-C. So let's get into the mic test. All right, guys, I've got a blank desktop screen here just so you can kind of see the microphone sound. I'm going to turn down the gain just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. And this is what you can expect to hear coming out of the microphone directly from the headset. It really is not bad at all. Sounds pretty good. So if you're interested, I'll have links down below. And check out my soundbar video too from OXS. It seems like they're making some pretty good stuff, though I still can't pronounce their name. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.